Hello, dear soul. My promise to you, I will be the knight in shining armor, fighting for your love and your honor, my dear sweetheart. Together, we will touch the gates of heaven. We will touch the gates of heaven so high where no eagle has been, nor raven. My dear sweet, I shall protect you for any harm or danger. My sweet, I shall protect you for any harm or danger. I shall wash away your sorrows and make them strangers. My dear, you will be, you will be the princess rolling my heart, my dear. Never ever, never ever, never ever we shall apart, my dear. You will be my throne, for whom I shall serve forever. I will love you so and forget you never. If I had to choose between a perfect world and loving you, I had pick loving you, because what's a perfect world if you are not there with me, my beautiful darling? I wrote your name. I wrote your name in the sand, but the waves washed it away. Then I wrote your name in the sky, my dear, but the wind blew it away. So I wrote in my heart, and that is there, it will stay always and forever.